Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change spark plugs on a Toyota Avalon 2008. Start by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and letting the engine cool thoroughly. Remove the engine cover and label ignition coil locations to avoid mix-ups. Use a boot puller for coils and a spark plug socket with extension to remove old plugs carefully. Inspect wells for debris and clean before installing new plugs to avoid damage. With coils out, work one cylinder at a time to prevent confusion and engine misfires. Turn the ratchet counterclockwise to break each spark plug free, then lift the plug straight out in the socket. Check the removed plugs for signs of fouling or uneven wear, which may signal other maintenance needs. Keep old plugs as comparison when buying replacements to match heat range and thread size for best performance. Apply a small amount of anti-seize to the new plug, thread sparingly, and verify gaps with a gauge. Thread each plug by hand until it seats, then use a torque wrench to tighten to the proper spec for your engine. Refit coils and connectors, start the engine to verify smooth idle, and recheck for any warning lights. Keep tools handy and double-check torque after a short test drive for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.